Oh, it's a bit cold, isn't it?
Bloody grim again. It's wet. Let's get some stodge down us.
Okay.
Yeah. Quite a bit. See how small butler's got nowadays? What did you used to get? $2.50 for butter. Now you get 200 grams. I'm just going to put the golden syrup in the bottom of the old bowl. I've forgotten how much it said, but I don't think.
Hopefully there's no wee stains down there.
Hey?
Goozy.
Yeah, teeth are overrated anyway, do you know what I mean? That's just turkey eating, so if it all goes wrong.
So we haven't got any cling film. We used greaseproof paper and an elastic band instead.
Slobbering. I'm going to go for 7 minutes to be on the safe side. Ooh! Not bad that, is it?
That don't look bad. Is it? I'm just going to feel it. My hands are clean. It's very spongy.
Yeah. How is it?
Golden syrup.
I think golden syrup is the one that makes it look.
And I've had just a little taste to see whether.
You gotta let it stand for a bit, it says.
Very spongy. It's very moist. It's a bit stuck. Look like a soft sponge.
Oh,
It looks pretty good. Ooh, let's have a look at the bowl.
Oh,
Yeah. It does taste nice. When I tasted the sponge, it tasted really nice. Oh, most of it's gone on the table. Turn it round, let's have a look.
Look at that.
Wow, so that is a golden syrup sponge cake done in the microwave for how many minutes?
7 I stuck it in for.
7 minutes.
With greaseproof paper instead of cling film.
Yeah.
Not bad.
I'm going to have some custard with it.
Yeah, I like custard. So,
That's enough. Bloody hell.
yeah.
It's actually really nice.
Is it? You're not just saying that.
No, it tastes like a school pudding.
Is it? Oh. That's a winner then. Sure.
Nice. Well done, Matty.
School pudding back in the day.
Yeah.